Good evening, all of you. My name is Kameswarao. Today, continue straight line 2 marks. Straight lines 2 marks. Intercept form. Using the intercept form. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Very important questions. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the point 2, 3 and making intercepts whose sum is 0. Whose intercept sum is 0. What is x-intercept A, y-intercept B? So A plus B equal to 0. A equal to minus B. You take A equal to minus B. The required straight line is x by A plus y by B equal to 1. You replace of A in the place of A minus B. So you replace minus B, y by B. You minus, bring the numerator. So minus x plus B, LCM B. Minus x plus y, b divide is multiply. This is a required straight line. It's passing through 2, 3. You replace of in the place of x 2 and 3. Minus 2 plus 3 equal to 1. b equal to 1. So the required straight line is in the place of b 1. Minus x plus y equal to 1. Bring the minus x is right side, take positive, plus y, bring the right side power negative, plus 1 equal to 0. Once again, find the equation of the straight line passing through the point making intercepts whose sum is 0. X-intercept A, Y-intercept B, A plus B equal to 0. This condition is A plus B equal to 0. Another question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through minus 4, 5 and equal intercepts coordinate axis. This question, equal intercepts. You take x-intercept small a, y-intercept small b. You take both are equal. So this condition, a equal to b. The required straight line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1. Is must be intercept form. You take the line. So in the place of a, you replace of b. So a replace b. You take LCM b. This is divided. You bring this side, multiply. It is passing through the point minus 4, 5. In the place of x equal to minus 4, y equal to 5. 5 minus 4 equal to 1. If b in the place of b is 1, the required straight line is x plus y equal to 1. Bring the 1 is left side, x plus y minus 1 equal to 0. Okay, now next another sum, another problem now. Third one. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the region and making equal angles with the coordinate axis. Equal angles now with the coordinate axis. Once again question. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the region. Find the equation of the straight line passing through the region and making equal angles with the coordinate axis. Making this lies between x-axis and y-axis is 45 degrees, equal angles. This is 45 degrees, this is 45 degrees, so 45. This line making 135 degrees. One angle is acute angle, another angle is obtuse angle. So both are 45, 135 is equal angles with the coordinate axis. You passing through the result. Theta equal 45 degrees. First case, m equal to 45, 1. The required straight line y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. You have the slope 1 and the origin point. You take x1, y1. You replace of x1, y1. You replace of m is 1. Y equal to 1 into x minus 0. Y equal to x. Another theta is equal to 135 degrees. M equal to tan 135 degrees equal to minus 1. The required straight line directly. You replace of 0 and 0 equal to minus x. Okay, very important. 1 year is asked to the 4 marks, 1 year asked to the 2 marks. Making equal angles with the coordinate axis 45 degrees, 135 degrees, passing through the region. One angle is acute, one angle obtuse. This is y equal to x, this is y equal to minus x. Okay, another question. Find the equation of this straight line passing through the point 3, minus 4 and making x and y intercepts which are in the ratio 2:3. The intercepts ratio, given condition a is to be equal to 2:3. A by B equal to 2 by 3. If B divided by B this side 2B by 3. The required straight line is x by A plus 5 by B equal to 1. In the place of A, what is the replace? 2B by 3. 2B by 3. This is is a reciprocal volta. 3x by 2B. 2B and B, you take LCM 2B. 2B is one time. Is B is available, so 2 is missing. You multiply 2. 2y equal to 1. You dividing cross multiply 2B. It passing through the point 3 comma minus 4. 3 comma minus 4. This is point. In the place of x 3. 3 into 3. In the place of y 4. 2 into minus 4. So 3 3s are 9. 2 into minus 3 minus 8. 9 minus 8 1. 2b equal to 1. The required straight line is 3x plus 2y equal to 1. Bring the left side is minus. Very important. Four questions are compared. 4 questions are intercept form. X by A plus y by B equal to 1. First one, sum of the intercept equal to 0. First condition, A equal to minus B. Second question, equal intercepts, A equal to B. Third one, equal angles with the coordinate axis. Fourth one, in the ratio, intercepts ratio, A is to B equal to 2 is to 3. So 4 questions very important in the form of intercept form. Thank you. Okay, no, good concept. Based on area of the triangle. Based on area of the triangle problems. We have 3 problems are available. So first one, you know the formula. The area of the triangle formed by the straight line x by A plus y by B equal to 1. With the coordinate axis, you look like a intercept form. X by A plus y by B equal to 1 of mod AB square units. The area of the triangle formed by the straight line ax plus by plus c equal to 0 is no formula. C square by 2 mod AB square units. Area of the triangle mentioned must be square units. Okay. Use the formulas. What is the